Hey guys, it's Trader Bean. Welcome back to my channel, and today I've got another bonus episode for you, and this is 5 things to make you more profitable. So, in no particular order, although I have put them in an order. Number 1, we want to be patient with winning trades and impatient with losing trades. I don't recall who said this, but I mean, it's something I need to apply myself because I keep getting caught out with this. It's from a psychological aspect. You see your trade go into profit, and instinctively you just want to lock in those profits, you know. But on the other side of the coin, if a trade goes against you and you see those negative numbers, it's very difficult indeed to try and cut that trade, you know, and accept the loss. But it's something we need to do, and it comes back, and I'll be touching on this point in future areas here. It comes down to making a plan. You've got to get that stop loss in place, and if it hits, you're out. You need a new plan after that. And I've been caught out many times earlier on in the last, couple of years with that. So now I'm very meticulous with my entries and my stop losses and my exits, but I still need to work on leaving my winning trades run a bit longer. Okay, so number 2, know where your exit for both a win and a loss is. Have a plan. So this goes back to number 1. You need beforehand, you need to write down, you need to have a plan, you need to have a look at the charts, see where your invalidation is, and you need to stick to that rigidly because it will catch you out. It's caught me out many times. So know where your exit is for both the winning side and for the losing side. You take profits, you know what I'm talking about. So point 3, approach each trade the same as the last. Don't deviate from your risk management just because you had 3 straight wins or 3 straight losses. Again, it comes down to psychology again. I mean, for instance, if you take a loss and then you go into the next trade, you take another loss, then you go into the next trade. Psychologically, you just want to dive in and up the leverage and try and get those losses back, and that is not the way to approach it. On the other side of the coin, if you're on a winning streak and you've had 3 or 4 wins on the trot, you might think again, man, I'm invincible here. I am the king of trading, and you'll up your leverage, you'll increase your size, and the trade will go against you and you'll wipe out all your gains, So each trade needs to be the same as the last one. Stick to your plan, stick to your 1-2% stop loss, and keep it consistent all of the time. Do not deviate from that. Okay, tip number 4, stop trying to catch tops and bottoms. Now, I mean, you see this on Twitter a lot, people trying to catch these wicks, and they only show you the times that, it actually plays in their favor. Most of the time, you're going to get stopped out. You're likely to get stopped out many times on both sides, both on the long side and the short side. So wait for the trade to develop. Wait for the market structure to develop. There's no need to catch wicks on either side. You'll have plenty of time. The bulk of the move, if you can get 60 or 70% of the move, you're onto a winner. So take your hand away from the mouse button when you see those spikes going down, and just let it settle down and regain some market structure, and then enter your trade. You can have a nice invalidation zone, set your stop loss. Much more safe than just trying to catch, knife catch these tops and bottoms. Okay, tip number 5. There will always be another trade. And it's something I have to keep reminding myself of as well. If If you set up some levels and you think, okay, I want to enter a trade here, and you miss it for whatever reason, there's always going to be another trade. In an hour's time, half an hour's time, tomorrow, there'll be another setup. And it might be a better setup than the one you missed. So don't FOMO in to trades. There's no need. I mean, this market is 24/7, as you know. There's trades around every corner. So don't sweat on that. Okay, so we have got a couple of bonus ones here. Bonus number 1. Never add to a losing trade, ever. Again, I've fallen prey to this. You enter a trade, didn't put a stop loss in for whatever reason, and the trade goes against you, but you were so certain that you were right, that you'll add a bit more size onto it, and it keeps going against you, and you're like, oh, well, I can't close out here now because it might bounce at any minute. So you add some more on. You might put some more Bitcoin into the exchange and add some more onto that. I'm speaking from experience here. I have done that. I mean, the last time I did it was about 2 years ago, but I did it and I've got burnt badly. You will lose. You will lose. So never add to a losing trade. Add to a winning trade, definitely, but do not add to a losing trade. It's an account killer. Okay, bonus number 2. Keep a trading journal. This, in my opinion, is an essential. Absolutely essential. I've got an A4 book with 500 leaves in it, which every single day I'll put the date and I will write out key levels. I'll go through a clean chart every morning, write out my levels, write out my fib levels, any channels, anything like that, VWAP. It's all going to go in my journal. And throughout the day, any price action of note, I will write down any trading ideas, any weird activity, anything at all. You need to get that down on paper, and you will remember it as you go along. So that is a bonus tip, but maybe that should be up there in my top 5. So there we go. That is my 5 things to make you more profitable video. Let me know in the comments below if you got any tips you'd like to share yourself that have helped you out in your trading career. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like this video, share it, and click that notification bell. And I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.